Good morning, kids. How are you? So today uh, we are going to learn about something very special, which will help us in our life. That in these pictures you have seen that the pictures related to freedom, which shows the freedom of a boy, freedom of a girl, freedom of birds. So if we feel free, so we fly like birds in the sky. We feel like that. So like you can imagine that we all are in our homes, and in this lockdown due to COVID-19. So that is which is very unwanted. Okay, COVID-19 is, this is unwanted, and we all are locked in our homes. So it is like that, a bird in a cage. So everybody wants freedom. We are missing nowadays, that is our freedom. So we and one more thing that I am going to tell you, that is this thing, that is self respect. You respect your elders, you respect everyone as it is, but when you will respect yourself, then only, I must say, the others will respect you. So this is very first thing. First of all, we have to give value to ourselves. So it is very important to adopt this trait, that is self-respect. If we respect ourselves, the others will respect you, whether they are elder to you or whether they are younger to you. So then, and when we will get respect, then only we will feel that we are free from all foundations, we are free to do something. So first of all, love yourself, and then the whole world will love you, and you will fly like a bird. So today we are going to do lesson number 4, that is a poem, The Free Man. So I have earlier told you that we have done one poem in the previous lecture. So in that I have told you, I have made you learn that to pick out the rhyming words. Okay, so in this poem also you have to pick out the rhyming words and then write down on a piece of paper. Now we'll start our poem, that is The Free Man. Free means freedom, who is having a man who is free to do something. And in this poem you will able to know that if you are free, if you are able to do anything, it then even you can do great things in your life, then only. So here there is a man, and this poem has been written by Robert Burns. His opinion, he is a social worker even. Okay, so this man has written this poem that I am going to explain you. I have a penny to spend there, thanks to nobody. I have nothing to lend, I will borrow from nobody. So this means that this poem clearly depicts the fact that the character of a man is like a real gold, and it can't be priced. Though a man can wear a lot of expensive clothes and the fancy clothes, but the most important thing a man can have is his honest character. As you know that a dishonest man is just like a black spot for his family, society, country, and the mankind. So we should have to we should have be act like a good person with great character. We should have inculcate those qualities among us. Then he's saying, I'll tell you the meanings of it. I'll just describe it first. I am nobody's lord. Lord means the honor. I will be slave to nobody. I have a good broad sword. I will take blows from nobody. Now, in this, he is saying that he can defend himself as he is having a broad means wide sword. He is having that. He doesn't care about someone. He doesn't need any others' help. He doesn't need anyone's help. In the last stanza, there are 3 stanzas. So in the last stanza, you can see, I'll be merry and free. Here, merry means happy. He's saying that he'll be happy and free, means full of freedom. I'll be sad for nobody. That he's saying that he will not feel sad for anybody. Nobody cares for me. I care for nobody. He's saying if somebody will not care about him, then he will also not care about him. This is give and take. We say, even I believe in this fact, that is give and take. If somebody will respect me, I'll respect him. But I must say here, I mentioned that we have to respect everyone so that he will realize his mistakes. So in this poem, you have come to know about self-respect, that is your dignity. You have to maintain your dignity. If you will not maintain it, then your life will be useless. And we have to build a character, because this poem depicts the necessities of the entire character of a person, of a man. So everybody should have to build a good character, so that in the whole world, the entire world, even we can say that they will respect that person. So I hope you have understood this poem that is written by Robert Burns. So you have to keep it in mind. This is necessary to learn that who is the poet, what is the name of the poem. So now this is your vocabulary that you have to learn and write. That first is penny. In the first stanza, you can see a word penny. Penny means rupee, in Indian rupee. But when we are talking about penny, that is a small British coin and unit of money. That is money, okay? Penny, rupee, I told you. And this is a currency which the British use. Now here, lend means the money which we give to someone on conditions, and they will pay it back after some time. That is lend, L-E-N-D, lend. Then borrow means take money from someone, then we will return it back to them. Then lord means, I told you, master, honor, master, you can learn. It's an easy word. So now slave is a person who is owned by another person and is doing work for him. Now take blows means be hurt. And the last word is merry and free. I told you merry means happy and cheerful. So in this poem, the man was happy because he doesn't care about anyone, and he adopts the policy of self-respect and all, tit for tat. Now here is the question answer. There are two, first is true or false, that this poem is about nobody. This poem is about nobody or about a man. So it's a false statement. You will write false. Then second is the free man has a small amount of money. Yes, he was a single penny, currency. And the third is the free man has a sword. Yes, he was having a sword. Then the free man is careless and sad. No, he was not careless, so it's false. Then the free man is happy. Yes, he was happy because he was a self-respected man. He doesn't care about others. He does whatever he wants to do. Now, next question answers. If we talk about question answers, the first question is, why does the free man say that no one can hurt him? That is, the free man says no one can hurt him because he has a good broad sword. He was having a broad means wide sword, so that's why he says that nobody can hurt him. Next is, what makes the free man free? Free man free. So that is that the free man does not care about others. He doesn't care about others. Then this nature, like his independent nature, makes him free. Like he was independent. He was not depend on others. And he was not borrowing any money from anyone. So you have to write down that his independent nature makes him free. And the third question is, do you think it is possible for us to live like the free man? Why? Yes, I think it is possible to live like him because we also have to we have to give value to us. Now here I have shared the question answers, but in third question I have written answers will vary, means answers will be different. So the students, you have to write in your own words what you think that you have to write. Don't write as it is answers will vary and write in your own words. Please don't write this thing. I have written just because you have to write in your own words. Don't copy this one. So I hope how you have to do it. So I'm attaching the PDF of this lesson with this video. So I hope you will be able to do it. And please write answer number 3 with your own. I have not written here. So thank you and show it to me.